Okay, we got an open box here. It's an open box of a Canon printer, model Pixma MG2520. So MG2520. Got it at Walmart, $34. It was on the counter for $39, and then when they rung it rung up as $34. So let's see what's inside here. You got some directions here. Let's see. This side looks like Spanish, but I don't read Spanish, so. Sí, señor. Oh no, it's both. So here's English, here's Spanish. So it's all put together. So Ernie's trying to get the box open here. Here, wait, no. One thing at a time, Ernie. Slowly. Wait. So inside here, there's a power cable. A black ink and a color ink. So, and then Ernie's trying to get the printer out of the box here. Don't drop it on the floor. There's some more directions here. It looks like a CD and some paperwork in there. And here's the printer. Not bad at all for $34. Okay. Show us the printer, Ernie. Okay, so there's the front. Piece of tape in the front. Broken already. Wait. Okay, there's the buttons. Color, black. So I guess if you want print black and white, you print here. If you want to print color, print here. So that's cool. Stop. That probably shows you if the black is still full or the color cartridge is still full. That must be the on-off button. So it does copy and scan.
This will print, copy, and scan. It doesn't fax.
Yeah, print, copy, and scan. Well, you don't really need fax these days. If you need a fax, you just fax from your computer desktop. So fax is basically a dead technology. So that's why they don't have it on here anymore. With email, you don't really need fax. So that's cool that pops up, because then you can print books. If you put a book under there, then that pops up to get the extra width of the book. I was waiting for someone to say, "What the hell are you doing?" Okay, there ain't nothing on this side. Ain't nothing on this side. The back, let's check out the back here. Nothing on the back. There's just the power cord. there's a spot here, Cheryl, if you could lift that up.
And this? That's your,
Okay, that's for the power cord.
this is your USB.
That's for the USB cable. It doesn't come with a cable to hook up to the computer, but I have one here. I got this one at Dollar Tree for $1. So it should do the job. You know. This one goes into the printer. You can see it's square, and this one goes into the computer. It's a USB cable, you know, but it's just a square USB. Yeah. Okay. There's the serial.
Serial number.
Right. Okay. Cool. So let's flip this around and see what this does over here. Let's see what Ernie broke already. So,
Nothing broke. This comes off.
oh really?
Yeah.
So that just protects it in shipping then. Okay. So that slides out to
11 by 17.
to accommodate the paper. That's going to be real weird trying to put paper on there. You think it would just kind of fall off this way.
Well, when you put the paper,
What?
put the paper back here.
See when you put that in there, it's going to fall. Cheryl thinks I'm serious.
No, I don't think you're serious, Jimmy.
So paper goes in here.
And if you want to do folders, you can put them in there like that.
There. Okay.
So,
And then you print, and it comes out the front here, and that just catches the paper. It just prints out, it lands on here so it doesn't fall on the floor.
and actually, when you pull this out, this actually extends it if you want to do 11 by 17 or 8.5 by 14. That's all it does.
Okay, so there's really not much to plugging this thing in. This goes into the back of the computer, this to the printer, the back of the computer, and then we got a power cable here, and then we have to install the ink.
That's the easy part.
So Ernie's undoing the cable here. Here, wait, ready? Da 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 da. This is the important part. Plug in the cable there. Don't break the plug. Make sure you're putting it in the right way. Look at the plug before you put it in there, Ernie. Let me see here. The expert will get in here.
Yeah, right.
See the plug there, the round part's up on top. So he had it right the first time, but he just wasn't hitting the hole. Gotta find the hole. Go ahead and push that in there, Ernie. Okay, that's all there is to it. Then this goes into the back of the computer. We'll scoot this toward here a little bit. Okay, you need a USB plug. Wait. Okay, so right here we have an empty USB plug, so that goes right in there. Okay, so that's all there is to that. And then we plug the power cable in. So they want to move it over to the table here. So Ernie's breaking the power cable.
Don't you wish.
I wonder where the ink goes.
Right there. I'll show you. I know how to do it.
Here, wait. Let's see the end of the cord there, Ernie. See, it's a weird power
No, it ain't.
cable. I don't think there's a difference. You can't plug it in backwards, either or. Okay, and now plug that into the power. Oh, that's a, that used to be a headphone. And then plug the power cord in. No mystery there, just a standard power cable. Okay, now we got 2 inks. Where'd the other ink go? Okay. There's the ink. Okay. Okay, so we're reading the directions here about how to install the ink. And the directions say put the color one in first. You open the cartridge and pull off the protective tab. And it says don't put it in crooked. Don't put it in crooked like that. Don't angle it like this. You know. And then down here, you can see here it says don't put it straight in. It says to put it in on an angle like this. You know, go up with it. This part slides in first. This part is toward the back. Same with both of them. So the color will be on this side. See, it says color, and then here. So they slide in like this and then straighten out. Well, here. They slide in on an angle and then straighten out like this. And then you push it straight back until it clicks. Now, I'm presuming because it's got those buttons on top that tell you when the ink is empty or full. That these cartridges here have sensors on them that hook up to the computer, just like little magnetic sensors or electronic sensors, that the computer can know what's going on inside there to see if there's ink still in it. Because if not, if you don't have those sensors, then you don't know if you have ink or not. You know, you print something one day and there's no black text. You know, so I think most printers these days probably have those sensors. So the cartridges go down in front here. So go like this, and then this part drops down, and there's 2 holes there for the cartridges. So the color one goes on the left, black and white one goes on the black one goes on the
Right.
the right. Wait. There's some directions here. If you lose your directions, there's some directions here that show you how to do it. But yeah, okay. It even says color on this side here and black on this side here. So I had a printer once that didn't have that, and I just wrote on here with magic marker color on this side, black on this side. You know. Okay, so here wait, Cheryl. Let's open this cartridge here. Here, come here. Okay. Open it up. Try not to break it when you open it.
I'll try so hard.
Good job. Don't drop it and break it. Okay, now wait here. Okay, now show this cartridge. There's the sensor. Now that tab has to be pulled off too. That tab is blocking the hole on the bottom. So let's see here. I suppose that's where the ink comes out here.
Yeah.
This thing here on the back is the computer sensor. You can see there's really not much to these things. Okay?
Okay.
So let's see if we can get that in there without breaking it. The other way, Cheryl. No, no, no. This goes
Oh,
in
cool.
here.
Which way? Oh, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
See that word color, that's the front. That goes in there like that.
Okay.
So it goes in on an angle. Slowly, and then go away, and then push it in slowly till it, and then straighten her out. Straighten her out. Okay, good. Okay, you got it. There's the color. Now we do the black one. See, now there's only black ink in there. You don't need white ink when you print black and white. You know, the white is from the paper, so it's only a black ink. It's not black and white ink. Nobody gets my jokes, huh? Okay, she pulled off the tab. Now, this one, the sensor on the bottom looks different here. Look at that. So it's black ink. But, oh, see, the color actually has 3 colors in it, right?
Yeah.
So black only has 1 ink, black ink. But the color has 3 inks in it. What is it? Blue, yellow, and pink. And it mixes those.
Actually, blue, yellow, and red.
It mixes those 3 colors to make all colors. Put it in on an angle. No, straight. No, here. You're right. Slowly push it in until it gets good. Okay, you're done. Piece of cake.
That get turned on?
Yep.
And
The power button. There'll be a test strip that comes up.
very top. Very top. Good. And let's see what this thing does here. Okay, that light blinked for a while. Let's see what the direction says. We didn't get an alarm there,
No.
so that's good.
There should be a test strip.
Press power button, wait till lamp is on, lift and then proceed. If lamp light flashes orange, check that both black and ink or fine cartridges are installed. So the lamp flashed green, we're good there. It doesn't say nothing about printing a test sheet here.
Do that itself.
Okay, so we got the computer plugged in, hooked up to the computer, and now we have to install the driver onto the computer. What Ernie's doing now, he's checking to see if the copy function works. He put something in there and press copy. So it's running there, you can see the light running here. It's copying. Only press color as least as possible, so not to waste your ink.
It works.
Okay. Let's see it here. Very nice. Sharp, clear pictures. Let's compare it to the original here. So there's the original. Here's the other one. Here's the print. So that's pretty good. Okay. next part, we'll install the drive.